kay Dylan. Hi, congratulations.
Hello po, thank you.
First project mo, first big project mo to.
Yes po.
How do you feel?
I feel very excited and I feel very honored kasi sa dami-daming tao pwede piliin for this project and for this role. They trusted me, they believed in me. And I'm very thankful for Viva and sa TV5 po for giving me this opportunity. So, syempre, it's my obligation to always do my best and give my best lagi, always.
Konting kwento, paano mo nakuha yung role dito sa project?
It was one evening, I got a call from one of the bosses in TV5 and I believe they pitched and they requested me for this role. And nung nalaman ko, sobrang nagulat po ako kasi malaki na siya. Dati kasi puro mga small roles lang nakukuha ko and now na medyo sobrang saya ko po and I'll make sure to give my best po.
Kamusta yung working experience with, syempre kayong tatlo lagi magkakaisena?
Yes po. Actually, for one shoot pa lang po, one taping day.
Okay.
Pero so far, on and off cam po, masaya po sila kasama. Makukulit po. And very warm and welcoming po sila.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. So far, nakapagtanong na po si June Lalin from Abante and Kiko Escuadro from Daily Tribune. Next up, it's Bobby Requintina from Manila Bulletin. Hi.
Hello, magandang Direk, magandang araw. Hello.
Nasa butahe kami.
Okay, Direk, coming from a romantic movie, ano? And then itong medyo may pagka-romantic din yung peg ng series, no? Nahirap po ba kayong ipalabasin yung kilig moments silang dalawa ni Angela and Rabi?
Hindi eh. Natural eh. Pag nagtinginan sila, may kinang yung mata nilang parang totoo. So effortless yung kilig ng dalawang to. Kasi ang dami ng, if you saw the teaser, the trailer, may mga scenes sila palagi na almost nose to nose. Wala, effortless. Nakakakilig sila together. Very, very natural yung kilig sa kanilang dalawa.
Madalas sa take one.
Ha?
Madalas take one.
Madalas take one.
Wow.
Madalas take one. Iba yung kinang ng mga ng dalawang artista.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sample daw ng tinginan! Grabe naman yun. Alright, thank you for that wonderful question, Mr. Bobby. Next up, we have Dolly Ann Carvajal.